Hi there and welcome. I'm Danielle O'Connell, lead trainer and resident expert in all things Excel here at Doc Office Consulting. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. There are a couple of different types of drop-down lists we could create in Excel. The one we're going to walk through today is the data validation technique. Why data validation? Well, first up, it is the simplest drop-down list to create, but in truth, it's not a free-floating drop-down list. Data validation resides in a cell in your worksheet and restricts what can be entered in that cell to just the items in a preset list. Users can click on the drop-down icon and select an item, or they can type directly into the cell, but Excel will only allow it, the typed entry, if that entry matches an item in the list. Let's get started. Down below this video, you'll find a link to download Activity File 2. Click that link to download it, then open it up. Pause this video while you do. I'll wait right here. All done. Great. Let's get started. Okay, in this file, you'll find there are 3 worksheet tabs. The one we're looking at the moment is the order form, and the order form is just a layout ready here to have the customer name and their address populated up the top. And what we'd like to do is, rather than have our users type the customer name in here and type the address in, we'd like them to be able to select the customer from the list. Now if we look down the bottom, we've got a customer list worksheet tab. We'll click on that one and we can see that we've got our 5 favorite customers here. In truth, you'll probably have a lot more than 5, but we've got the 5 to work with for today. Makes it nice and simple. Click back to the order form tab. Alright, now in the order form, what we want to do in this cell, B3, is create a drop-down list. To do this, we'll select that cell, go to the Data tab on your ribbon, Data, and over on the right here you can see we've got a button for data validation. Click that button. Great. So at the moment we can see that any value is allowed in the cell. If we click that drop-down list, we can see we can choose from many things. We can allow only a number, only a decimal, only a date, only specific text, but what we're going to allow is selection from a list. So let's click list. When we do that, we get this extra box here, the source selection box. Put your cursor in there, and with that source selection box active, I want you to use your mouse to select the customer list worksheet tab. Notice that just like when you reference another sheet in a formula, it puts the sheet name in the formula, it's put it in our source selection box. Awesome. So we're just going to use our mouse to select the cells B4 through to B8, and notice that they're put straight into the source selection as well. Click on OK. Now you can see there's a little drop down next to cell B3. Click that drop down and notice that you can choose only the items in the list. Click on any one of the items and the cell value changes to that item. That's a basic drop-down list. Pretty great, isn't it? If all you wanted is a basic drop-down list, now you know how to do it. Good luck! If you want to know more, and there is a lot more settings we can play with, stay tuned for the next video and we'll have a look. Bye for now.